In this video, I'm going to show you how to reconcile an account in Wave or fix an unreconciled period. To start, head over to your Wave account. Once you're there, click on the Accounting option from the left-hand side menu, and from the expanded menu, select Transactions. Now, you'll need to select the specific account you want to reconcile. You can use the drop-down menu to select your account. If the account you choose is already reconciled, it'll show as such. If another account isn't reconciled, you'll need to fix that. First, turn on the reconciliation toggle. You can reconcile it from scratch, or if there was an earlier unreconciled period, you can also edit that. Reconciliation simply means matching the balance in your actual bank or credit account with your balance in Wave. To do this, get your bank statement and match it with Wave. Enter the ending date from your statement in the reconciliation window, then type in the ending balance. Click on Start Reconciliation. You'll see a difference amount displayed. Your goal is to bring this difference down to 0. Start matching each transaction from your bank statement to the transactions in Wave. When you find a match, click the check icon at the end of it to mark it as matched. As you do this, the difference will adjust. Keep matching until it reaches 0. If you notice a difference that doesn't go away, check for duplicates and delete them if needed. If you find that your bank statement includes a transaction not listed in Wave, you can add it manually right then and there. Once all differences are cleared and the balance matches, click on End Your Reconciliation. You'll see that your account now shows as reconciled successfully for that period. And this is how you can reconcile an account in Wave or fix an unreconciled period.